kumot sa classic na Robin Hood o ang millennial na si Princess Merida. Lahat tayo ay napabilib nila dahil sa galing sa archery. For this episode, our target is to learn the sport, enjoy to get our adrenaline pumping. Magmamalakatis muna ako dito sa Attack Arena. Ako si Sheila Salaysay, and this is Sports Trip. Attack Arena. This is the only multi-brand recreational center, and to tell us more of the different activities na meron sila dito, makakasama ko ang General Manager na si Mr. Ralph Lau. Hi, sir.
Good morning, Sheila. Welcome to the arena.
Ralph, when and how did the concept of Attack Arena start?
So personally, I really like fun. I like doing activities. I like experiencing different experiences, literally, even when I get to travel. So for me, a personal advocacy I love is to have fun and let other people have fun. So I thought when I graduated in college, what can I do that's both fun and is also work?
Saan yung mga branches ng Attack Arena and how is each branch different from one another?
In our Circuit Makati branch, we have knife throwing, crossbows, different weapons throwing there. And in our Ayala 30th branch, for airsoft naman, we have the only aircon play site in Metro Manila where you get to do airsoft in a controlled indoor environment.
Mas masaya ang experience sa Attack Arena, lalo na kapag kasama ang tropa. Kaya nandyan sina Miss Sabel, Sia, Kenneth Patrick para samahan akong subukan ang tatlong activities dito. First, ang Tactical Strike. It's an airsoft range that gives the experience of shooting without being able to use live ammo. This is quick and fun experience of airsoft rifle. Sa ibang branch, mas malaki ang space. Pero dito, it's a shoot-down range different from airsoft combat. Next up is Artemis and Orion. This is a traditional archery range with 7-meter range lang. Unlike sa ibang branches na may 15 to 30-meter range, this is targeting the beginners, first-timers, and for those who want to learn archery. There's a basic orientation done by experienced coaches, and there are two parts: safety, and then the other is teaching. Proper shooting stance, how to draw, aim, and how to shoot. Walang dress code dito as long as comfortable at makakagalaw ng maayos. Matapos ang orientation namin, ready na kami, perfecting our aim and getting that bullseye. Itong archery ay isa sa mga na-enjoy ko sa last season sa Inside Sports kasama si Earl Yap. Dahil first time kong ginawa, kaya it was a different experience. Kailangan tamang form at matinding concentration. Pero tingnan nga natin kung naaalala ko pa yung natutunan ko. Load the arrow, place the 3 fingers on the string right underneath the arrow, pull the string back, make sure yung index finger nakatapat sa dulo ng lips, aim, and shoot. Another good thing about this recreational center, kids as young as 8 ang pwedeng sumubok, pero syempre dapat kasama pa din sina mommy at daddy. Ang pinakagustong pinupuntahan dito ay ang archery attack, pero mas maganda, matry mo muna yung Artemis bago mag-attack para masanay na. Sa Attack Arena, you shoot each other using bow and arrows that are foam tips. It is still a combat sport, but there's a bit of pain, pero ang challenge dito, dapat mabilis kang mag-load, aim, at shoot. Ang kagandahan dito, they can accommodate big and small groups. Pero bago magsimula ang makbakan, let's not forget the safety reminders. May 2 sets of headgears at bows dito na magkaibang kulay dahil sa iba't ibang game modes na pwedeng laruin. Civil War, this is a free for all. Walang kampihan, last person standing ang mananalo. Ice Water, pag natamaan ka the first time, freeze ka muna. You can't move and you can't dodge. And if you're hit again by the opponent, you're shattered, out ka na. Pero if your teammate shoots you, you can be saved at balik ka sa laro. At ang most popular and fan favorite, this is called Against the House. This is where all of the players are going against the staff. If you beat the staff, the session is free. Wow! Pero itong lalaroin namin ay tinatawag na Team Deathmatch. Blue against green, ubusan, maglalaban, and the last team standing is the winner. We're ready to attack.
ma-enjoy ang combat experience dito sa Attack Arena. Kaya next week ulit, huwag kang papaiwan dahil dito sa Sports Trip, ano man o saan man, G na G tayo.